What's up, Facebook? Big John hollering at you from Delta Cam in Tacoma, Washington. I got all these trays of lifters and sets of lifters. We call it our extra oiling notch. Notch lifters is what we do. On the side wall of the lifter, we don't ever want to mess with the cam contact point on the face of the lifter. Some of them have the EDM holes, but I don't like to do that EDM laser hole in there because it's a hole that's directly on the contact wear surface. Why would you want to cut a hole there? So we don't like to do that. We do it on the lifter side bore, on the lifter wall itself, not in the block, but on the lifter. We get a lot of customers that buy their own lifters. These are seal powers, and it's a tray of 128, and this is the way they buy them, just like this, in bulk. They buy them in bulk. I'm gonna stay here tonight because this is a timely process. It takes a while to do them. I got those, got some other rock arms, some other lifters, some of these, some of those, some of these, some of these. So I got a ton of lifters to do tonight, and I'm going to set up and I'm going to cut one real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after it's cut. Due to this being our special process, I don't really want to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to do it off camera and then bring the lifter back real quick and show you. So I've cut the lifter now. Going to wipe the grinding fluid off of it. Oh man, this is hard to see. Let's flip it around the other way. Right there's a little flat spot. Very hard to see in the lighting. Let's see if I can get it over here. There you go. See that little flat spot right there? Every time this lifter comes down the lifter bore onto the base circle part of the cam, it opens up this oil passageway to direct squirt to the cam lobe. We've been using this process since the mid-80s. This is actually developed by the engineers at GM that were doing the 2.8 liter and the 3.1 liter V6 Chevrolet Camaro engine. It's a junk engine application. They had massive oiling issues. So they came up with this notch lifter design. They were originally called HL 2095s, but we've been doing those, and now we do all the Chevys, all the Fords, all the Chryslers. Everything that we sell with a modified flat tappet camshaft gets a notch lifter with it. And because we sell only our notch lifters with our cams, we've had a monster success rate as far as camshafts making it through break-in and making it through a long happy life in the engine. So anyway, that's the picture of it, and I'll post up a close-up picture of it too so you can see the notch. But that's how we do it. And like I said, the fixture and how we do it, it's not ultra rocket science, but the way we have it set up, it's done properly. So if you don't have the time to make your own fixture and want to monkey around with it, feel free to give us a call or wrap up your lifters, your brand new lifters from any supplier you want. Wrap up your brand new lifters, print out an order form from the website at deltacam.com, wrap them up real well, send them off. We notch them for $1 a piece. A set of 16 is only 16 bucks plus return shipping. Be in and out, and then you have that extra verification that your camshaft is going to get the most oil available besides a crankshaft sling. It's going to get direct oil to each lobe. So the probability of your camshaft surviving camshaft break-in is real high. We've had a very, very minimal, I think we lost like 6 or 7 cams last year, and we do quite a few cams a year. So anyway, that's the procedure. Feel free to share it. If you have any questions, fire us an email at sales@deltacam.com. You guys have a good night.